Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol SOS, which is for SOS Limited. I covered this particular stock in this channel because I hold a lot of shares for SOS and I have been making videos on SOS. So if you are a SOS lover, then definitely subscribe to my channel, and also if you find this video useful, please hit the like button. So if you are holding SOS and you saw a sudden increase at one point, it became positive for some time. So this is what's happening, because see the share price, there's a big jump. The share price was around 3.58. It went all the way around like over $4, and then some selling off, but again it's making higher lows, at the same time lower highs. So probably is forming a triangle here. You can see here a triangle, and you can draw another triangle. We need to see how it plays out. Normally if it's a bull flag, it might break out and go up, or it can come down. So I will come back to the chart again. We will see how SOS is doing. Most probably when there is a bull flag, they just break out and go higher, but we will see. So in this particular video I will also talk about the overall chart, but why the share price is going higher and higher, because a news came today, April 20th. SOS enters into a purchase agreement for 575 cryptocurrency mining rigs. So let's see the news here. So it says that SOS announced today that the company has entered into an agreement to purchase 575 cryptocurrency ETH mining rigs. Under the terms of the agreement, the company is expected to obtain approximately 400 gigahertz of ETH hash rate. The mining rigs are expected to be delivered on or about April 30th, 2021. So whenever it will be delivered, it might give another push. The purchase is another step in implementing SOS cryptocurrency mining strategy. The company is pleased it has been able to secure mining capacity during the global mining equipment shortage. So again, there was a shortage, but they have bought many used and they found in China. And the CEO said that we are optimistic about the future of cryptocurrencies and Ethereum in particular. This is part of our overall strategy to develop blockchain-based environments and service, and which will be a core part of our growth in 2021 and beyond. So this news was today, and if you remember, there was another news that came on April 14th, and that news was SOS announces receipt of third batch of crypto mining rig and the first quarter mining result. So in my previous video I talked about the 3 batches of crypto mining rigs. So the third batch was expected to be received before April 15th, and April 14th they said they have received it. So the good thing is they had first and second batch of rig, and the third rig was also high. In the third batch they received 5464, so almost 5500 cryptocurrency mining rigs. So in total they have a lot of mining rigs to develop and mine cryptocurrencies. So immediately upon delivery of the mining rigs, the SOS team kicked off inspection, configuration and installation procedures. Once the batch of mining rigs go live, the company expects that the pool of rigs will be able to generate about 177 petahashes per second for mining Bitcoin and 356 gigahashes per second for mining Ethereum. If the machines operate as expected, the long-term rate of return is projected to be promising. These hash rates are subject to numerous factors and blah blah blah. The company confirms mining operations in Q1 2021 have generated 42 Bitcoin and 916 ETH. This is for a partial quarter of operation, definitely because they received in January and February. SOS financial officer also elaborated that these mining results reflect the first quarter of operation, and the number of Bitcoins and Ethereum are higher than what we originally anticipated. We expect our output to grow in future quarters as we complete the installation of our third batch of mining rigs and have full quarter of operation. So that's the news was on April 14th, right? So you can see that the good news came. So they had lots of mining rigs, and another news came today. So what's happening? Oh, and you see how it is breaking out, right? I told you, like, it's a bull flag pattern. So this is the flag and this is the pole, and once like it is broken, then it's supposed to go higher. So we will see how far we can go, but seems like it is it wants to go higher. That's the main thing, right? So on the overall chart, if you see here, we are going down. Still there is no sign of recovery yet, but maybe 2 days but maybe today's news will give it a break and it will start going higher. You can see it was a red candle, now it is a green candle because it's pushing, right? So maybe we can see a recovery, and especially the 3.8, this is an important resistance, was before, now it could be a support. So we need to see, maybe this is the end. After 3.8, with the good news and the overall market, maybe we will start going higher, and even with the Bitcoin and Ethereum price going higher, this can start going higher. But again, when the Bitcoin was rallying, we saw a decrease in SOS share price. Now Bitcoin came down a little bit. Now we will see with the Bitcoin how it will play out. So keep an eye on the share price. So definitely, if you want, you can I can look at some resistance here around $5. I also remember a resistance around $6 around this area, and once this is broken, then definitely we will have an increment of $1, 5, 6, 7, 8. So definitely, if you are doing day trading, maybe you can still get in if you want, but again, this is a risky stock. It can come down again tomorrow, we do not know. But I just wanted to make this video to give you the information of why SOS is going higher, especially if you're holding SOS, and if you want to average down. Is it a good time? Maybe yes, because 3.8 seems like a support, but we will see how things plays out. Let's look at the chart. Still it is trying to break out. We will see. But anyway, I just want to publish the video as soon as possible so that you guys can see during the market hour. Currently this is 12:35 p.m. Eastern time, so we will see end of the day where we end. But I think, just looking at here, the previous high was around, let's see what was the previous high here. The previous high of the day is around 4.07. so once we break 4.07, we can go even higher. You see, like, we are forming lower highs, so most probably we will push and we break that 4.1 and go and we go higher. So anyway, trying to make it very fast so that you can see and get some benefit. So hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you are a sauce lover, then definitely you have to stick to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.